Hey artists, welcome back to Minipoly. In this video, I will show you how to make a full 360 degrees turntable animation for your stylized character, made entirely in Blender. So sit back, enjoy the spin, and soak in the style. I am going to pick one of my character to make the turntable animation. I will use two empties to make this turntable. One I will use to parent my character to, and other will be used to track the camera. I will turn on my screencast keys so you can see all the shortcuts that I am using. First, I will parent my whole character to the empty. Now I will bring my timeline and will change my FPS and animation duration. You can check the values. Now I will add the keyframes to the empty, one at 0 with no rotation and other at 120th frame with 360 degree rotation in Z direction. Now you can see the animation running for our character. Now I will make some space and add camera to see the preview for our animations. Most of the work is already done. I am just adding camera for rendering. You can check the resolution and camera's focal length values that I have used, but you can use yours too. Now I will add the second empty to track our camera. Just select the camera and go to Constraints and add Track to Constraints to our camera and select our second empty as the target. And now by moving the second empty, you'll be able to track the camera's angle. Thanks a ton for watching this character turntable on Minipoly. If you enjoyed the vibe and love stylized or low poly art, make sure to leave a like. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment if you have feedback or just want to say hi, and don't forget to subscribe for more Blender magic, tutorials, and time-lapse builds. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.